Keep car trash covered and contained, even while tossing it, with the High Road StashAway console trash bin. The StashAway holds up to 1.5 gallons of trash with 3 outside pockets for tissue packs, sanitizer, or wipes. High Road's console bin is easy to assemble and install. Just slip the side braces into the slots behind the carry handles. The braces keep the StashAway upright and open during use. Next, lift the console cover and place the adjustable cord on the StashAway over the top, cinching it tight with the cord lock to keep the trash bin securely in place. Close the lid and the console trash bin is ready for use. Its unique stuffed top lid keeps trash and odor under cover. The StashAway features a fully leak-proof lining so drips and spills won't stain carpeting. The High Road StashAway console trash bins keep wet and dry trash out of sight, keeping your ride room clean and organized.
With more than 500,000 units sold, the 9500 IX by ESCORT is the top-selling radar and laser detector of all time. The legacy continues with the rebirth of a new industry legend. The ESCORT IX puts all the range and intelligence of the 9500 IX into a smaller, faster package and adds the next-generation features you want at the price to satisfy. The new IX offers the long-range early warning protection ESCORT is known for, now with built-in Bluetooth connectivity. The multicolor OLED display intuitively displays the type and strength of each threat to help you make the best decision every time. GPS technology plus an updatable in-vehicle technology filter rejects false alarms from both fixed positions and moving vehicles, including newer sources of false alerts like lane departure warning systems and adaptive cruise control. Variable speed sensitivity delivers alerts that matter for your specific driving situation. For even more protection, use the ESCORT Live app on your smartphone and sync your detector for real-time crowdsourced threat alerts. All these features and more are wrapped up in a new sleek design. And IX's revolutionary new Easy Mag Mount instantly provides secure, no-hassle attachment. The average speeding ticket costs $150, and getting one ticket means you're likely to pay $900 in increased insurance costs over the next 3 years. Even though you may not ordinarily speed, limits can change quickly and catch you unaware, and up to a third of speeding citations are erroneous. With radar and laser detectors legal in every state except Virginia and Washington, D.C., the ESCORT IX pays for itself when it saves you from just a single ticket. The new ESCORT IX. A legend reborn.
MEGUIAR'S Complete Car Care Kit features premium quality product in a convenient, affordable bundle to clean and care for your vehicle. MEGUIAR'S Gold Class Car Wash and Ultra Plush Microfiber Wash Mitt will wash and remove loose contaminants. MEGUIAR'S Premium Clay Bar and Quick Detailer are included to remove bonded contaminants. And for that inevitable light scratch or scuff, MEGUIAR'S Scratch X 2.0 is a quick cure for paint. Gold Class Liquid Wax provides lasting shine and protection for paint, while Endurance Tire Gel does the same for tires. Keep your interior fresh and clean with MEGUIAR'S Quick Interior Detailer. Finally, plastics can be used to restore and beautify headlights, clear plastics, and more. With MEGUIAR'S Complete Car Care Kit, your car is covered.
We all want to keep an eye on our children when we are in our cars. The Shynerk Baby Car Mirror can help you do just that. It's like having a baby monitor in the car with you. The Shynerk Baby Car Mirror has a lightweight design. It is made with an impact-resistant acrylic safety glass, surrounded by a black, curved ABS plastic frame. In the event of a crash or accident, you can ensure your baby is safe due to its shatterproof design. The mirror is simple and quick to install. The black polymer plastic holds the mirror tightly in place. The easy-to-fit mirror attaches in seconds to the rear seat headrest. The mirror is equipped with adjustable nylon straps, making it compatible with most vehicles. It rotates 360 degrees for a clear view at your desired viewing angle. Because of the wide-angle mirror design, it always allows you to have full sight of your precious infant when they are in a rear-facing baby seat. With a lifetime satisfaction guarantee, If you or your precious cargo are not 100% satisfied, simply return it for a full refund at any time.
Alright, this hot seat is very easy to set up. All you have to do is put this strap right here around the headrest. And then it also has an elastic strap. You just connect that down below, like this. And then you go ahead and insert this into your cigarette lighter. And this is the switch. All you have to do is click once. That's high temperature, medium, and low. And I find low to be the best heat on a cold day. This seat will warm up so nice. Right here, you feel the heat on this part of the seat and also right in here.
I've been testing this out for about 2 weeks right now, and the weather has been around from 10 degrees to 30 degrees. And it is so wonderful to get in the car, turn this on, and it warms up very quickly. It's a nice even heat on the lower part of my legs and on my back, and I can't wait to use it in the morning. This is something I'm going to be using every day in the winter here, and I highly recommend this product. I find nothing wrong with it. Super quality material. Customer support is top notch. I think this is the perfect product you're going to be looking for if you're looking for a car seat heater. Check out the company. They're great to deal with, and like always, have a fun day.